For quite some time I've been meaning to sort out the houseplants, and I didn't do it last year, and now they're all looking really sorry for themselves. So I'm just going to have a little sort out. I've brought them all outside. So I've just gone to the garden centre, picked up some compost, some pots to be able to size them up, and then I'm going to sort them out today. And it's really nice weather, so I thought that would be good to do that outside. Yeah. Sometimes you just spend more time thinking about a project than doing it, and that's definitely been the case. I mean, I've not been able to just sort out the plants in a couple of hours, whereas I've probably spent like weeks and weeks and weeks thinking about doing it. I think that's pretty much finished. I'm going to take everything back inside, and then we're just going to shoot off to a friend's work to go and grab some shelving, and then I've got a sewing project that I want to do this afternoon, so fingers crossed I can work that out, because I'd like to wear that on Monday. The other day I sorted out all the plants, and I kind of thought that there was going to be a couple where they didn't react well to the new soil, but on the most part everything seems fine. This evening I really want to make a little dress out of this fabric. It's not really a colour that I'd usually go for. It's sort of like this purpley satin that I've got, but I think the flowers are really pretty, and because it's got quite a bit going on with this like floraliness, I kind of just want to go for a very simple dress. I think it's a like a poly satiny type fabric. So I'm thinking a bias dress. It's got a nice movement at the bottom, and then I'm thinking just something very simple, like almost like sort of like a square neckline, spaghetti straps, and then an A-line dress. I think I'm just really thrown as to whether I want to go long or short, because obviously it's summer and recently it's been like really hot, so I'm kind of leaning towards shorter. I'll make the pattern and then see on the length as to how long I could go, because obviously when it's on the bias it's like sideways, so you kind of are a little bit limited as to how long something could be if you're just using one piece. Last night I cut out all my pattern pieces, and I had the front of the dress, the back of the dress. I cut out some pieces for the straps, the little loops at the back, and then both of the facings. So I have just sewn the back of the dress with the facing on this side, and then adding in those little loops here. So I think that's super cute. I almost feel like that would be cute as a front, but anyway, yeah, super cute. Really love those, and I just cut those out of some fabric on the bias and sewed them up. Then I made my little straps, just coming to sew the bias onto the front of the dress. And I picked up this last little bit of fabric that I had, and I was a little bit confused. That's not the facing, and what I realised that I've done is, God knows what I was thinking, I have managed to cut two strap size squares out of my bloody facing. So yeah, luckily I've got some material spare, but that, I can't even explain how annoying that is, because what... Anyway, apart from the facing on the front, which I now need to recut, everything is going quite well.